So I tried to do a 100 subscriber video. There was a guy called Delete Lawz that issued some challenge that law enforcement can't spend 10 minutes in handcuffs, some nonsense like that, and Blue Bacon was making fun of him. So I figured I would jump in. But after a 12-hour shift last night, coming home, taking care of family stuff, and trying to do a video at effectively midnight, I've messed up. So very cool, 100 subscribers, that rocks. I like that. I never thought I'd get here. And I'll try to put together what I can of the videos that actually worked. I spent 30 minutes in handcuffs trying to make the stupid video, and my camera kept shutting off after, I think my longest video, it lasted like a minute and a half. And of course I'm standing there like a dummy, waiting for my timer to go off, and it recorded 1 out of 10 minutes of it. Oh well, I'll try again later. Maybe when I have more sleep I'll be better at it. Alright, let me edit all this together. Alright, welcome to Bed Arma's YouTube channel. These are asp hinge cuffs. So there's a guy saying that 10 minutes in handcuffs is torture. Well, this is actually my second take. My first take, the camera didn't stay recording. Alright, there we go. Alright, so again, these are asp brand hinge handcuffs. Got palms together like I would normally do. Fingers interlocked just for comfort. So there's this guy called Delete Lawz going around saying that 10 minutes in handcuffs is torture. Well, you know what? I forgot to start my timer. Alright, so 11 minutes on the clock. Alright,